Hi guys, now before we get started, I would just like to introduce myself. My name is Brenton Watt. I'm a designer and a business owner based in Pretoria, South Africa. Now, my main core business is design and manufacturing of all kinds of cool furniture items and things. My focus is on retail design, so I build shops mostly. Now, I've done boutique stores, I've done clothing stores, I've done all kinds of restaurants and bars, I've done hair salons and all kinds of fast food outlets and roadhouses. You name it, I've built it. Now, you'll notice in the video that we've got our fully functioning workshop where we shoot all our footage. So I am now sitting in my workshop. I've got all my machines and things downstairs. I've got a team working downstairs. We are a fully functioning manufacturing facility based in Pretoria, and this is where all our goods come from. Now, the idea behind Stockfit is to actually share my knowledge that I've built over the years to end users like you, and hopefully you'll be able to not make the mistakes that I've made in the past, first of all. Secondly, just get there much quicker, because it took me years to get to this point where I am now, and I'm hoping that this course will help you to get to that point much quicker. And I want you to basically do what I do for a living. It helps a lot. I can take care of my family and everything is awesome, and I basically just want to pass that knowledge on to you.